So today we are going to learn cloud computing and starting our cloud journey with Alibaba Cloud. So hope from computer science background, most of you must have heard about cloud, which is picking up in the recent days. It is going to be a cloud era. So out of that, we are going to discuss about uh, the cloud journey with Alibaba Cloud. So it is one of the cloud provider. So let me go to the next screen. So as Kavita introduced me, I am from technical background. I am working currently in HCL with 15 plus years of experience in IT industry. So currently I am having Alibaba Cloud Associate certification. Yeah. So here comes our journey starts with the key topics which you are going to cover in this session are introduction to cloud computing and cloud computing services, cloud computing deployment models, Alibaba Cloud global infrastructure, Alibaba Cloud pricing model, Alibaba Cloud products and Alibaba Cloud Academy, Alibaba Cloud account and quiz and certification. So hope everybody, if you're not aware about cloud, from this session onwards, you'll be more aware of cloud actually. So this is introduction to cloud computing. Cloud computing is in simple terms is the delivery of on-demand computing service resources, including servers, databases, storage, platforms, infrastructure, application, etc. over the internet. So here I want to explain, cloud computing is nothing but like, I think if you want to understand in simple terms, hope you all would have seen the Netflix site, am I right? Amazon, the Netflix site and other sites, actually movie sites in internet. So all these things are like hosted in cloud. For example, this is the cloud where it is consists of servers, databases, storage and other platforms, infrastructure and other applications over the internet. So typically, when you go to that site or any educational, any movie sites which you go, Prime Video or Hotstar, anything. So it's all hosted in cloud applications actually. Cloud is like a virtual environment actually. No, there won't be any physical infrastructure. There won't be any physical things will be there. So is my explanation is fine? We can have the questions at the end actually, or if you have any doubts in between, you can stop me and ask me questions. So this is what cloud is. Cloud is like nothing but and virtual storage and virtual database and virtual platform and virtual infrastructure and virtual applications, which is holding the things in the internet. For example, here I want to, in the introduction itself, I want to explain you very detailedly. For example, cloud will be hosted in, for example, on-premise. On-premise like our traditional environment. We have client and server. So, for example, we will be having one machine, and that is a client machine and one server machine. For example, if the one server goes down, then probably means like for our application, we cannot able to proceed our application or deployment or development anything. So this is one of the drawback. It takes lot of time in on-prem. On-prem is where previously before the cloud comes into existence, it was there. But after cloud, what happens is like we have a machine, the simple computer machine which is hosted in the web in the cloud, and we have multiple servers actually. We can use it. It's simply like we can host the infrastructure for our need, and once after our need is over, we can decommission it. So this is a simple explanation about our cloud computing. So what are the advantages of cloud computing? Cloud computing means like compared to the on-prem. On-prem is before the cloud comes, what all the software companies were doing, the development process, production and everything. It will cost us more money. It is more expensive. But after the invention of cloud, what is the advantage of cloud is it is cost efficiency. Means there is upfront cost for starting a business is reduced actually. The thing is how it is reduced. How it is reduced for starting a business. You don't have to have a physical machine. You don't have to have a physical computer. You just need to have a cloud account. So automatically you have to pay for your service actually. By that way, the cost is reduced. Scalability and speed. scale the resource in and out. For example, if you take into account, for example, any Christmas or Diwali, any, you go to shopping malls or shopping sites, typically the sale increases, am I right? You go for the festival season, means there the applications will be hosted in the cloud. But if in on-prem, if the so can I start from the beginning? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir, you can continue now.
Okay.
Now it is audible.
Oh, so, so this is the introduction to cloud computing services. Okay, these are the different types of. I will cover it fast actually. Okay, so cloud computing services, cloud deployment models, Alibaba Cloud infrastructure, and these things. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of on-demand resources, including servers, databases, storage platform, infrastructure, application, etc. over the internet. So this is like, for example, cloud is like it is the combination of servers, databases, storage platform, infrastructure, applications, etc. over the internet. This is what simple explanation about cloud. So cloud is different from on-prem, is saying that like you can have multiple servers actually which can be hosted based on your need. And if you don't want, once your need is over, then we can scale it down actually. So this is what. This is the pictorial representation of cloud. So what are the advantages of cloud is it is more cost efficiency. Means ladies, there is no upfront cost for starting a business. Means like you don't have to pay any money upfront actually. And then whatever the things you are using, you have to pay for it. Scalability and speed means like depending upon the need, you can increase the number of computers, scale it in and scale it down. And unlimited storage space. In a cloud, we can have unlimited storage space and can be increased based on the need actually. And backup and recovery, it is used using snapshot for backup at any time. So we can go global in minutes, create and deploy applications within minutes actually in cloud. So till this things is fine, am I right? Do you have any doubts? Hello? Hello? Any doubts till now?
Yes, sir. There is no doubt, sir.
Okay. So if you speak only, I can understand that you are listening. Otherwise, it will be like one-way communication actually. Okay, let us make it more interactive. You can stop me and ask me doubts. So virtual machine is called as is also called as a guest machine. It is a software simulation of a hardware platform. Yeah, hello, someone is speaking. It's a software simulation of a hardware platform that provides a virtual operating environment for guest operating systems actually. So and a hypervisor is also called a virtual machine. A virtual machine is like on top of your in your laptop, you can install the software, and in the OS you can install the virtual machine, and the hypervisor is used to. Yeah, sorry, I don't know what is happening actually. Automatically it is going to mute because I am putting it on mute only. It is automatically going in mute. So where we left actually, where you last heard me? Hello? So software as a service. Can you hear me now? Hello,
Yes,
guys.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Only 2 minutes before it is muted.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. So this is software as a service actually. Okay. Software as a service is it is like they will provide you the software. You don't have to buy the software and install the software in your machine. They will pay for your subscription. So subscription means weekly subscription you want, you pay for the week, you pay for the month, you pay for the year, you will get the software. And this is cloud computing services. What are this is on-prem. Typically, in your on-prem industrial environment, it will be like this: server, storage, networking, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime, data, and application. But here, until virtualization, everything, this server, storage, networking, and virtualization will be provided by the cloud as an infrastructure as a service. At the platform as a service, you can have server, storage, networking, virtualization, operating system, middleware, and runtime. So platform they will give you both middleware and runtime for running your application. And SaaS is they will give you the application also, software also. This is what. There are three cloud deployment models are there: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. What is public cloud? Public cloud is anybody can access the cloud actually, individuals or business users. It is, there are different types of public clouds: Amazon Web Services, Google App Engine, IBM Blue Cloud, and Salesforce.com actually. These are the public cloud. Anybody can access. Amazon Web Services, then Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Alibaba Cloud. So now we are going to discuss, we are going to see about Alibaba Cloud here. So Alibaba Cloud is also known as Alune. It's a cloud computing company, which is a subsidiary of Alibaba Group, which is founded in 2009 September. So it was headquartered in China and the international headquarters in Singapore. So Alibaba Cloud provides cloud computing services to online businesses and Alibaba's own e-commerce ecosystem. Alibaba is ranked number one in Asia. In Asia Pacific, they are number one, but fifth in the world actually. Alibaba Cloud Global Infrastructure. So what is the infrastructure actually? How the Alibaba Cloud will be there? It's built around regions and zones. Alibaba Cloud regions are physical locations, data centers that are spread all over the world to reduce the network latency. Okay, latency is the sense if you want to fetch the data from one place to your computer, it will take long time, right? That is called network latency. But if you have the data center in your own country, in your own nearby region, it will take less latency. It will reach your place. Computer is very fast actually. In Alibaba Cloud region is in India. It is located in Mumbai. So region refers to a physical node on a global scale. It is what is a region? It is a physical node. It's a physical place actually. And each region is composed of multiple zones. Multiple zones. A zone is composed of one. There are in Mumbai itself there will be multiple zones. In one zone there will be different data centers. Data centers which is independent supporting facilities, independent power supplies, networks and connections. The data centers will be having the place where to store your data. It will having independent power connections, networks and connections. So this is how, which we described now, Alibaba Cloud Global Infrastructure. So this is the region. I told you region is throughout the world. There are different regions. In India, the region they are located in Mumbai actually. Similarly, in Singapore there is a region. So this is the global infrastructure. Alibaba Cloud is number one in Asia Pacific. There are 21 global regions. Like how in India is one global region. So like that they have 21 global regions, 63 availability zones. I told you within region there are multiple availability zones. Am I right? Like that they have 63 availability zones and 2,800 CDN network around the globe actually. So what is the typical example of Alibaba Cloud is power of Alibaba Cloud Double 11 Festival, which is an online shopping festival in China. So during that festival, I told there are a lot of people will be doing sales. That's how Alibaba was successful in providing the scenario. Processing of $1 billion in gross merchandise volume in the first 68 seconds of the shopping event. So they are supporting this much, 1 billion in gross merchandise volume. It is totally huge. Totally $38.4 billion of GMV in 24 hours with zero downtime. There will be multiple people hitting that shopping site. The site will not go down actually. And 970 petabytes of data to support the peak performance of 544,000 orders per second actually. So per second they are supplying this order. 87 million requests are processed per second. So typically in our country, we have festivals like Diwali and Christmas and Ramjan. During these times, their peak festival time, am I right? So during this time, there will be lot of sales will be going on. This can be provided by the handled by the cloud infrastructure. In similarly, Alibaba has cloud this peak this power of Alibaba Cloud on Double 11 festival, which is in China actually. So Alibaba Cloud pricing model, how? For example, if you are using one machine, pay as you go. That means if you are using 10 machines, you have to go pay for the 10 machines actually. This is the simple concept actually. If you are not using for any machine, then you don't have to pay any money. If you are not using any machine, don't need to pay. If you are using 10 machines for 1 week period of time, pay for 1 week period of time, or 2 weeks period of time if you want to use, pay it for 2 weeks period of time. So second is subscription, which is used for a long period of time actually. For one instance, one server which you want to use it for a long period of time. And preemptible instance actually. These are the different types of pricing model. So this is the Alibaba Cloud products. So here they will call the virtual machines here as a elastic compute service actually. Elastic compute service is a virtual computing environment, including, because if you go for a physical machine, you have a CPU, memory, and other fundamental computing components, am I right? Similarly, in cloud, you have a ECS instance, which is having the CPU, memory, and other fundamental computing components actually. It is essentially a virtual machine. Means it is a virtual machine. It can present in any region. It may I told in India it is in Mumbai actually. Present worldwide. It supports all Linux, Windows, and different types of instances can be created. Whether if you want to create Linux, you can create Linux. If you want to create Windows, you can create Windows. After creating the configuration such as storage, RAM capacity can be changed. After configuring, you can increase the storage. You can increase the RAM of the virtual elastic computing service. So elastic compute service, it has a network interface and an IP address. Every machine will be having IP address, am I right? In on-prem also. Similarly, here also it will have a IP address. It will be having one public IP and one private IP. And security control is done by the security group. Payment support, as I told you, if you want to use one ECS in the ECS service, you can pay for one. It is pay as you and subscription model. It lowers operation and maintenance cost actually. How it lowers the operation and maintenance cost? If you are using 10 machines for a month of time, then after the month of time you don't need it. So then you can easily decommission it. No need to, there is no operation and maintenance cost for this. It provides automated backup. For example, it can provide, means there is a database is there, it can provide the automated backup of the DB. It is faster than the physical system. It is very fast than the physical computer you have. We can take the backup of the ECS instance itself. Suppose ECS is a server, am I right? Similarly, what you assume is a computer. In the computer, you are configuring server. You can take the backup of the ECS instance itself. So marketplace, what is a marketplace? Marketplace is used to set up software from a third-party vendor. So means like third-party vendor, and so every cloud will be having a marketplace. So it is a software setup where you want to purchase any third-party cloud, third-party thing. It is installed in all the regions of Alibaba Cloud. Some images are free and some other we have to pay for it. We can install pre-built disk image from Alibaba Cloud Marketplace. Pre-built disk image means, suppose for example, there is you need a machine with 100 GB, 10 GB RAM and 16 GB RAM. It will be readily available. You can use it. So what is Alibaba Cloud Academy? Cloud Academy is nothing but it is the part of training and certification part of the Alibaba Cloud. Okay. So Alibaba Cloud Academy will give you training and assist you in getting the certification as part of the Alibaba Cloud. Alibaba Cloud Academy support the cloud professionals to have a career path and certify in different areas of computing like. So it will help you to certify in different parts of computing like security, big data, DevOps, machine learning. So the certificate in detail can be accessed in this particular edu.alibabacloud.com. So this is Alibaba Cloud certification. Alibaba Cloud Academy provides two forms of certification. One is professional and the other is technical certification. So this is how this certification will look like. Learning path. Learning path is the list of us to get on track to enhance or start a new career in the cloud computing industry. So what is the cloud provided by Alibaba Cloud? First you have to do DevOps, then you have to do big data analysis, then networking, then machine learning. Finally, completing the learning path in above area, you will get your certified as an engineer certification. This is how DevOps engineer will get it. So till now, people, you have any doubts actually, now you can ask your doubts. It's not in mute, right? Sorry for that actually, unknowingly it went on mute. People, you can ask your doubts now. Hello? Hello, am I audible now? Hello? Are you there? Please respond. Actually, hello? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
any doubts? Any doubts, please ask me. Till now, if you have any doubts, please ask me.
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No, no. See, you understand cloud, am I right? So
Yes,
anybody
sir.
can say what is private cloud? Anyone can answer my question. What is private cloud? So I explained to you, am I right? What is private cloud? Private cloud is, it is limited to one particular organization, am I right? Public cloud is, anybody can access that cloud actually. So anybody, any doubts, please ask me. Don't, because it has to be useful for you actually in this session. So this is regarding, there are various cloud providers. Today I am explaining about Alibaba Cloud. Okay. So let me keep the demo at the last actually. And this is what, if you do not have an Alibaba account, please sign up here. So this is how the certification will look like. Okay. So can I do the demo now? Can I show you how Alibaba Cloud looks like? Hello, say yes or no. People, you have to make use of this session for you. It is very informative for you guys actually. So this is Alibaba Cloud Academy. So I have to go to Google here and put Alibaba Cloud. This is, you can create your Alibaba Cloud here. It is 1 year, actually it is totally free. Here like this, you have to go in as a sign in here as a RAM user here. Okay, I have already a user now, so I am logging in now. So this is how it will look like.
Sir, your slide is not visible, sir.
It's not visible. I am not sharing it. It is in presenting mode only, am I right? No, I'm not showing you the slide. I'm showing in my computer. I'm showing you how to log in into Alibaba Cloud actually. It is a demo. It is not the slide. Can I go from the beginning? I'm showing you. See here. You are following. See, for example, I am not showing my this thing. I am asking you how to create an account in Alibaba for you guys. Alibaba Cloud. Okay, you have to put in Google Alibaba Cloud like this. Okay, it will come like this here. You have to go here and you have to log in here. So I already log in. It will ask you your username and password. So it will show you what are the messages, what are the billing, how much it came and everything. So if I am going to the console, I will go to the console here. Here I am describing about the Elastic Computer Service, am I right? Just before some time. Guys, you are following? Say yes or no, man. Yes or no, people. Hello? Is it audible?
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is how you have to create your ECS instances actually. Create a ECS instance like this.
Sir, your screen is not visible,
Yeah.
sir. Can you
Screen is
share
not
your screen?
visible? Okay. This is how you should be creating your these things. See, if you want to create a general purpose thing, it will say you the CPU, 2 vCPU, memory 8 GB, clock speed, these things, internal network bandwidth. This is how you go here. You go to the, I will show you the previous screen here. Okay, I will close this. The Alibaba Cloud. Once you go in this cloud, you will see the screen like this. In this, you click the Elastic Computer Service, you will get this screen. Okay, then create ECS instance like this. It is 12 months free. Okay, certain services if you are using, you have to pay for it. Otherwise, you can practice. Okay, this is how you want to Elastic Computer Service. This is how you want to create it actually. Or if you want to use the already existing part, you can take this. Okay. For example, see if I'm using means like see here. This is how. So you know now you can understand how to create how to go to the ECS instance page. Am I right? Just log in into Alibaba Cloud. Go to Elastic Compute Service. Go to this page. Then after this Elastic, if you click, you will get this screen actually. And there is another. I told you what is edu.alibaba.cloud. Am I right? It is the learning portal. Okay, I log in into my account edu.alibaba.cloud.com. So in this my learning, if I go for courses, there are free courses are there. ACS System Operator Exam, Alibaba Cloud Academy, and these things you can continue learning this year. If you log in, if you create an account in Alibaba, you can see all these things. You can create an account, you can study here. You go to Alibaba Cloud Academy and do your things. Similarly, if you do the certification, you will get the certification here. For example, I did the certification. Okay. So what certification I did? Alibaba Cloud Associate. So if I want to view the, see, Alibaba Cloud Associate, I did it. This is the badge actually. Okay. If I want to view my certificate, I can view it. So it is saying like I have completed the Alibaba certificate. It is valid. Hello? Someone is saying something? Is it audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Right. This is how you, if you are clearing the certificate, you will get the certificate here. Once you go to my learning, if you go to my courses, you will say you will get all these things. This course, Alibaba Cloud Academy. If you want to continue learn, click continue learn and you can learn here. So this is what I want to explain you guys actually. Okay, so any doubts you have guys? Any doubts, please feel free to ask me. Hello? Any doubt? Any people you have any doubts about cloud? Now you understand little bit about cloud and Alibaba Cloud? Say yes or no? Hello? Hello, am I audible to you guys? Because I am only speaking.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Okay, please say me, what is your name? What is your name?
Yes, Raja Ganesh.
Raja Ganesh, say me, do you understand the cloud and Alibaba Cloud little bit? Do you have any doubts now?
No,
You want to
sir.
ask any questions actually?
No, sir.
யாருக்காவது உங்களுக்கு கொஸ்டின் இருக்கா அலிபாபா கிளவுட பத்தி கிளவுட்னா என்னன்னு புரிஞ்சிருச்சா? Hello? Say me yes or no. So we got another 6 more minutes to go actually. So initially, sorry for that, like it was on mute probably. So people say me, explain me if you have understood this or not. Okay, 1 minute, I'm sharing the screen. So if you want to take a Alibaba exam, cloud exam here, you can go ahead and take it here. So this is how the certificate. You can contact me in LinkedIn and this is my WhatsApp actually. If you want to study about cloud, please contact me in my LinkedIn and this is my WhatsApp number. So I will share it in the screen, these things, you can take it.
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are audible. Yeah. Yes, ask your question. Who was asking that? Hello? You are audible. Yeah.
Sir, actually, the session was very good, sir. According to the students' point of view, they learned about how you have to create the new cloud in the Alibaba platform.
Right.
And I really thank you for the resource person. He is a well-established person and he worked as a consultant in the HCL Technology, and he gave a lot of inputs to the new era in the field. Very much thankful for the resource person, and I would like to extend my sincere thanks to every participants in the meeting. Thank you, sir, and thank you once again.
Yeah. Thanks. And I have shared my LinkedIn contact and my WhatsApp number there. Students who want to learn, you can call me. Okay, you can WhatsApp me. You can give an invite to my LinkedIn profile. I can help you to learn more in cloud actually.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you. So shall we wind up now? So shall we close the call?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you.